Okay, we're good to go. Hey everybody, and welcome back for another gameplay of The Walking Dead Survival Instinct. So magso-sorry na nga pala guys ako na maaga sa inyo because magkakaroon ng chances na ma-delay ang aking mga uploads because of our poor Wi-Fi connection. Yes. So, okay, so first things first is magmamanage muna tayo din before we start. So ito guys, ni-transfer ko ng pistol ammo at saka yung rifle ammo sa ating items. Alright, so without a further ado, let us now proceed to the gameplay. Okay, stay ka lang dyan sa Carmia. Let's go.
Stay here.
What?
Why? Look for Merle's gang in the bar. Okay, so pupunta tayo sa bar. And look for Merle's gang. Oh. Dadaan tayo din Oh! Aba, may buhay na agad. Alright, let's be cautious here. Hep, 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 hep. Hep, hep. Come on. Are there more? Ang dami! Okay. What if lampasan na natin sila guys, ano? Banatan na natin yung mga hahang sa harap natin. Gaya nito. How about this one? Yup. Pa! We're not going there pagkakadami. Oh my goodness, there's a lot of eating zombies there. Oh! Hey! Mayroon na sa likod. Okay, they saw us. Okay, lapit. Iisa-isahin namin kayo. Come on. Off with your head. Ouch! Hey! O sige. Ano? Sige! Alright. Are there more? I guess this is the last one. Fuck! Okay. We all got their heads, guys. Okay, I think not all of them. Fuck! Aba! Ah! No! Fuck! Ayoko sa dyan, nag-grab ako ng mga zombies. Putik na yan. Ugly faces. So, this is the bar. What do you call it? Barsdale Saloon? Okay. Oh my goodness. I've always wanted one of these. Let's go.
Merle! What the hell?
What's happening? Oh!
It wasn't my idea to sell you out, I swear it.
Oh, I believe you, Ash. You're too damn chicken shit to cross me. And why don't you tell me where the rest of the club's at?
Out, man. Looking for stuff.
Damn it, Merle! This whole trip was just for your stash?
What the?
Belly aching, you're giving me a headache, son.
Jess was right about you, you selfish son of a bitch.
Ah, don't be that way. Look, I kept the...
What?
Man, you just don't get it, do you?
Yun yung crossbow ni Darren? Oh!
Hey!
Whoa.
Merle's here!
What's happening right now?
Go on, grab all the shit.
Oh my goodness.
We gotta get to Merle before he can ride.
Okay, so nadamay tayo sa gulo guys. Putik na yan. The heck just happened? Oh my
Where's my
goodness.
blade? They took everything?
Wait. Huh? Nasaan mga gamit natin? The heck? Oh. May mga walkers pa man sa labas. Nasaan mga gamit natin? Nawala. Hindi naman to bug, no? Well, I hope this is not a bug. Oh. What's this? Bolts? Ito ba yung bala ng crossbow? Hindi ba natin ito pwede maging weapon? Mayroon pa ba? Oh! Ito! Isa Hindi na Wala na. Okay, the exit is blocked. Oh my goodness. Saan tayo ngayon? Okay, wala naman ito. Okay, so ito yung ating hunting knife, oh. Hey!
You got something, man.
Why is that? Alright, nasa atin na guys yung crossbow ni Darren. The crossbow does not generate noises when fired, allowing you to kill a walker at a distance without alerting others. Okay, may stealth weapon na tayo guys. A high-powered stealth weapon. Nice. Alright. Oh. Lapit. Oh. Okay, sala yun. Come on, lapit. Sige. O, di ba walang ingay yun? Nice one. Ito pa. Alright. This is my primary weapon now. O, saan na tayo? Di na. Wala pa tayong pang-heal?
I need to find Merle, have a little talk, get my gear back and then some.
Ha? What? Oh. That's gunfire, guys. In here, right? Dini tayo, yes? Liquor store. Okay. Huh? Oh, kita tayo dito. How about this one? By the way, pwede nga pala natin ma-retrieve uli yung bala. Alright. Mayroon ba tayo din malulot na, ano? Pang-heal? Kailangan ko tayo eh. Oh. Alright. Okay, wala silang pang-heal din eh, guys. Oh my goodness. Kailangan natin pagtyagaan to. Let's be cautious here. Ito. Oh. Hindi pala babangon. Ito. Hindi din. Let's go. Follow the gang's tail through the alleys. Oh. Okay, so susundan lang natin yung gunfire. Okay. Oh, yan, nakaabang siya, oh. Yup, we see you, bro. Oh, ito pa, oh. Nabangon sila. Babangon to, feel ko. Hey! No!
About that.
Ikaw? Pak. Buti hindi nasisiya yung mga crossbow bolts, ano? Nice. This is cool. Saan tayo? Dine? Whoop! Okay, I think this is a garage. Okay. There's a lot of them. Up.
Night, dickhead.
Let's not forget our stealth skills. Okay, so natrack yung walker doon. Balikan natin guys yung mga bala. Check muna natin itong place. Kailangan ko sadya ng pang-heal. Nagdadahan-dahan na ako sa paligid eh. Okay, so... What is that? This is one of the gang, right? Okay, one down and more to go. There's something here. Hey! Oh! Putik! Oh, sige, saka pa. Ayun, pang-heal. Alright. Heal na tayo. At delikado ang ating buhay.
Not bad.
Alright. There's more crossbow bolts. Alright, this is good. Habang nagtatagal, we don't need to worry a thing. Okay. Oh, sa likod. Eto, babangon to, feel ko. Ay, oo nga. Nag-splash yung dugo eh. How about this one? Okay, hindi. This one? Hindi. That one? Ay, oo, yun! Ay! Niyak! Nakakalimutan ko pala sa mga corner may mga nabulaga na din. Putik na yan. My bad. This one? Hindi. Get your gear from the gang. Ay, ito na yung gang! Okay, they're all dead. Okay. Ito. Hindi. Oh. Kinakain na sila, guys. But, where's Merle? Nasaan si Merle?
You'll do.
Alright, ito ang mga gear natin. Yan. Reload. May mga nalimut tayong bala eh. Along the way. Ano na naman yun? Oh! Ay! No. Close. Oh, sige. Here we go again. Oh! Hey! Ay, sa likod, mayroon sa likod! I didn't notice that, sorry. No. Meron pa? Okay, meron pa. Bahala na kayo dyan. Hindi ko kayo pag-aksaya na bala. In here. Guys, kailangan natin pang heal. Oh, bala. There's nothing here. Okay, wala. 3 kwarto na may 3 basag na salamin. That's weird. Oh, what's this? It's only a pump shotgun. Okay, never mind that. Reload. Hello? Okay, there's nothing here. Kill the walkers attacking the stranger. Who's stranger? Wait, sino yun? Ang dami walkers sa baba, oh. I see Scout! What is she doing here? Sige, pagtsatsaga natin guys sa mga walker gamit ang mga firearms.
Hey!
Oh, din eh. Oh, sala. Sorry. Meron pa? Okay, looks clear. Tara, let's go. Kausapin natin si Scout.
Hillbilly?
Oh, ito na nga, oh.
Saved your ass at the diner. Do I look like your bitch?
Not in that outfit.
What? Oh, hell no.
Wait, oh, come on. I was only teasing.
Hey, where's that bag?
Now
you
is not
promised
the
me
right
for
time,
dinner?
girl.
We haven't even gone on a date.
What?
Give a girl a ride and we'll talk.
Let's go.
Alright.
Change my mind.
Ikaw ako ya, isasakay ko sa Giant. Alright, so... Everyone is safe except Merle. Si Merle bumukod sa atin and Mia is still alive because she stayed in the car. Alright, so abangan na lamang ninyo guys sa susunod na gameplay. So thank you for watching again.